People may be asking this question in their mind. Well, open house is an event held in a school where its doors are open to the general public to allow people to look around the school and learn more about it.
So can you tell them about the garden egg?
Kola nut is an important cultural symbol made up of many very important meal among the Yorubas, and it is made up of yam flour and is usually eaten with a way known as jute leaves. Amala is a very good source of vitamin B6. It is called mala. It's a food eaten by the Northerners. It is made up of rice, yeast, and sugar.
All right, thank
pepper, ogiri, onions, and
pounded yam and the egusi soup.
Pounded yam and egusi soup, okay. So what do we have here?
It's a native soup too.
A native soup, and this is EPA, eba. Then, like, you know, it's native thing.
white rice.
White rice and stew rice. Okay. Then we have yam and vegetable, yam porridge, right? Yeah. Then from the north, masa, like my boy said. Then we have kunu. I don't know if this is pap here. We have zobo. East. Wow. Yeah, apart from the east. Then jollof rice. For everyone, Nigerian jollof rice. Wow. Yeah, correct. Yeah, on point. Nigerian jollof rice. Then we have asu. Yeah, asu, yeah. Then what do we have here? Oh, fish pepper soup. Oh, fish pepper soup.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have the whole of Nigeria in this one.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can patronize our cafeteria next time. Please appreciate her. Thank you.
I like that. Wow. This is I like the swag of this. Igwe. This is serious.
Let's go.
Right, same
Wow.
That's how to showcase culture.
announcement. Good morning, everyone. It's Anam tribe. Today I'll be talking about the Anam tribe. Before, the belief and traditional attire of one of Africa's wisest people, the Anam people. The Anam people are a particular cultural group in the Akwa Ibom state of Nigeria. Owing to the recognition of lineages, they organize themselves into clans and villages based on all family origins, known as imams. Both the ethics and identity among the tree of Ghana were the name, which means Anam, which means thoughtful son. Distinct for the value they have is the ability to speak well. The use of proverbs is highly desirable, especially among religions. Thank you.
I just greeted in Igala. My name is Almanana Akus. I come all the way from Kogila to tell you about the Igala people. The home of the Igala culture is situated on the East Benue complex and River Niger. The predominant colors of the traditional marriage of the Igala land are yellow, black, green, and white. Look at me now. Am I not traditional?
Yes,
I don't greeted in Hausa land. My name is Mustafa Yabu. I'm here to present Hausa. Do you know that the Hausa people are found in various parts of West Africa? The tribe is made up of a diverse but culturally homogeneous people based primarily in the Sahelian and Sudanian area of northeastern Nigeria. Find them wearing a big gown and a cap. Caps or bula are for men, but it is not necessary to wear them all the time. Traditional dress of the Hausa is usually of a material. There are usually wide openings that allow for ventilation. The trousers are baggy at the top and center, but tied around the legs. The men do have their head covered. This usually covers a part of their face, leaving their eyes. Now good.
my name is Tesala Dada Mohammed and I come all the way from Edo State. Edo State, located to the south of Nigeria, is a land with a particularly long and fascinating history and culture. Edo cultural dressing is the most essential part of the state's culture. The best way to study Edo cultural dressing is through authentic wedding ceremonies, as the Edo traditional attire is a sight to behold, both intense and
Okay, parents, teachers, and friends. My name is Rebecca, and I'm here to tell you the You are not located in a sunny part of the sea. The major group of the Rivers is in important state. Fascinating to about the Rivers of the wedding ceremonies of the traditional marriage attire.
Teachers, parents, and friends. My name is Caleb Bilama and I come all the way from Calabar tribe. Epic traditional attires are a variety of vibrant and colorful materials made into different styles to reflect the cultural richness and complex of the ethnic people. The groups on the other hand are usually a sight to behold. They're mostly dressed elaborately in traditional ethnic attires, which includes a wrapper, a white shirt, and a piece of colorful cloth wrapped around their waist and around their neck. And they wear a comb as well as a beautifully beaded shoe and a cap to complement their looks. The ethnic attires are delightful to rock.
Why the necklace and shoes on my neck are raised is early raised.
We can't hear you.
In the past, significant development and industry in the country. Like most exhibits, they have their own unique significant transcend music and tracks of clothing.
All pieces of the Igbo attire are random. There is a meaning behind every single one of them, like the red cap Igbos wear. It means the pain and suffering that Igbos have went through. Zara, Uchi, thank you. Red teachers. Let's hear red teachers. Let's hear red. I am like Adam.
I think we're going to start doing it.
Parents. That means good morning in Isoko. My name is Peter Shaka. I come all the way from Isoko land to tell some facts about them. According to oral tradition, the first group of Isoko ancestors migrated to the region of Delta from Benin owing to the strong influence of Western civilization. The Isoko people have predominantly become Christian. In Isoko, the standard dresses for women comprises two wrappers called a haw. A haw is singular and a haw is two. A blouse, a head tie udofo, and the corab is ivie. And with an appropriate slip-on shoes to match with a purse.
The few two are found in Cross River State and Adamawa State. The southern western traditional attire of the young people represents the green in the clothes stands for character and significance of the I have to choose
Cuido. Oh, Before going into the attire of the arrangement, let me open your eyes to some fancy announcements. Identified by their gender classification and then we have the
My name is I'm from River State. Olúwa mo wọ ìró àti bùbá àti gèlè ẹ ṣé gan-an. The lady of when Benford International make a do make a move. Messi of an hour.
bad bitch every day.